Dear viewers, and welcome back to my another video. In that new lesson we are going to learning about Discord. And what is Discord? Discord is a popular chatting area which you can chat there and then make your own server. I have a server like BIZTECH 360 I have created a day ago. So let's get started beginning our journey to viewing my server. Firstly, you need to open your Chrome in your desktop, and then here is this container like interface I have created some minutes, and then this is my welcome interface channel. You can see here many other people has joined it, means 20 member has joined my Discord servers. You also join my Discord server, so let's view. And this is my announcement channel. You can see here many updates and the old features of that announcement. And then this is my rules channel. You can read the rules and follow the rules. If you not follow the rules, you may ban it. And then you subscribe my channel BIZTECH 360 and you can support my team. And then this is my general chat information. You can chat here and talking with me and another persons, my members. And then this is my introduction. You can introduce with your age, what class do you read, name, and if you subscribe, so right here subscribe. So you can see here another channel YouTube like that, and this is my bot name Carlbot. You can see this here. I have created a video like this video. When I upload that video, this bot will send that all persons, everyone in that channel like YouTube and create it. And this is my class link new. You see here these new options. Class link, click, and then you can see here not anything else. When I class in that in my Zoom, I will send the link and the class code, so you can join in my class and you can know about pandas, matplotlib, pythons, seaborn, and many others. So this is my level information, and you can see here levels. If you check in my general many, and you can see here this message will come. Congratulations, named Hastatgs means your username. This is my username, and then you claimed from level 0 to 1. Keep up means your level is 0 and to 1. Your level become 1. This is this level mate I have created. And then this is my last channel, voice and stage. You can go this general channel. Okay, I'm connecting here and I'm going to, and you can talk here. So if I mute here this, hello guys, I'm here, and you can get, means you can got all of people follow you. So guys, I have muted because I'm making video. And then this is my event channel. If I create a event, I can give that schedule. This is my event channel. I give you schedule when the event starts and the events end. When the events end, the events will gone. So guys, wait for that event and I will code there. And so I disconnect here. And guys, this is my all of my Discord. You can see here. Please boost my channel and grow up my channel. If you go to that server boosters, you can see here level 1, level 2, level 3. Level 2 boost, if you can get actual emojis, 2024 soundword slots, animated server icon means my server icon will be animated. I will click here, and I have no boost because I don't purchase a boost or to boost my server. So guys, boost my server and grow up my server, and you can get many other updates. So guys, that is my video. If you like my video, so subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon button to get more support. And I will give my Discord link in my channel. So, Assalamualaikum.